My name is always Nirajkar. I am a final year student of Computer Department from Rizvi College of Engineering. Our final year project is Vein visualization using NIR. Our group members are Punhali Abdullah Faham, myself Always Nirajkar, Lala Kazi, and Zaid Qureshi. Our guide is Dr. Varsha Shah. Vein visualization is a process of imaging veins and other vessels of our body using near-infrared spectroscopy. Use of NIR spectroscopy helps for improved accuracy and precision while identifying and locating the veins in our body. This technique is, is relatively more accurate as compared to the standard ultrasound imaging techniques. Vein visualization is one of the most researched topics nowadays. Many medical practitioners faces this as a challenge of locating the subcutaneous veins for intravenous access or intravenous injections. This can occur due to various factors, some of which might be the veins are not visible through the naked eye, or the veins are too thin of the patient. As a result, venipuncture may cause harm to the patient, leaving scratches, bruises, or even bleeding on the patient's arm. Our model is very simple. The hardware used are Raspberry Pi. It is like a mini computer. It is head of our model. It controls the sensor and it is used for displaying the output. Uh, Raspberry Pi 3B. Raspberry Pi is a series of many single-port computers. It is used in many IoT projects. Raspberry Pi in our project will control the camera module and the display board. The second hardware used is the NIR camera. This camera is of 8 megapixel and has a no infrared filter inside of it. So one can take images and without any IR filter. So the third hardware used is a 3.5-inch LCD display. Uh, the Raspberry Pi is equipped with the HDMI cable, so one can display it on a big screen. But where size is a constraint, one can use a LCD display for producing and displaying the output. So the system details is as follows. We give the input to the Raspberry Pi through the NIR camera. We power the Raspberry Pi and the image processing is done on the Raspberry Pi and produce the output on the LCD display in real time.
Let's move on to our project demo. You can see that I am placing my hand in front of the camera. The camera captures the reflected IR rays from my hand and processes it. The veins on the processed image is then marked with green color. This way, the project helps in the process of venipuncture. I would like to thank our project guide Dr. Varsha Shah, our HOD Professor Shiburaj Pappu, and our class teacher Professor Mohammad Ashfaq for their guidance. Thank you.